Are you looking for tips on getting a new job? Here at SC Works Midlands, we have expert career advisors to give you some advice. Hi, Chelsea.
Hi.
What's your best advice for getting a new job?
I would say do your research. Really focus on the mission statement of the company. Make sure it aligns with your personal values and goals.
I love that. Thank you, Chelsea.
Hi, Rebecca. What's your best advice on getting a new job?
My best advice would be focus on networking. Leverage your LinkedIn contacts, join some professional affiliations or groups. You can even reach out to like alumni associations. Try to really get yourself out there to make as many connections as you possibly can. You never know where those connections can lead.
I love that. Thank you. Hi, Carrie. What is your best advice on getting a new job?
I would say you should definitely attend hiring events. It's great to have that face-to-face with the employers to get your name out there, and you never know what opportunities they might offer.
If you're interested in getting a new job, come by the SC Works Midlands office. We are located at 700 Taylor Street in downtown Columbia, and we have locations in Lexington and Winsboro, and you can get advice from an expert career advisor.